Growing food, one of our most essential abilities humans have for staying alive. There is no clear answer in absolutes. However, with no food and no water, the maximum time the body is thought to be able to survive generally is about 1 week. With water and no food, it is thought to be just over 2 months. Survive, not thrive. This type of strain on the body can cause very intense issues, and the body may have lifelong consequences such as stunted growth, poor bone health, even depression. And even after starting to eat again, the body may not accept the food right away. A person can experience heart conditions, swelling, and even neurological conditions. The body needs the nutrients in the food to survive. Without food, the body starts to use its own tissues as fuel. But it can only do this for so long before shutting down. In essence, as we all know instinctively, food is important. And just because people go to space does not change the fact that we have to eat. Why is it that people can even eat in space? I mean, if everything is floating, how does the food not just float in your body without gravity to help keep it down? I know that if I eat and then I go upside down, I start to feel like the food is going to come right back up. Well, when it comes to digestion, it's more about the muscles than it is about gravity. The digestive system does the work. So in space, one can eat in any orientation and still get that food to go down or up. Well, I guess the digestive system can guide the food through the mouth to the end of the digestive system, no problem. In order for plants to grow, there are some essential macronutrients and micronutrients that need to be in place. And when we look at the soil that's on Mars, those macro and micronutrients are actually there. Why aren't we already growing food on Mars? When we look at the two planets, we'll notice that there are some gases in the atmosphere that we will find on Earth, such as argon, nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. These are the things we breathe in the air. And when we look at Mars, they have the same things in the atmosphere. There's something called perchlorates in the soil that makes it a little bit challenging. Perchlorates consist of a chlorine atom bound to 4 oxygen atoms. But what concerns us about perchlorates are the levels. It's toxic to humans as it interferes with our thyroids. But anyway, clearly, it is much harder to grow food in a toxic and inhospitable place. I could think of a few places on Earth that could benefit from studies on the reconditioning of soil to make it more hospitable to people. The Delta region in Nigeria from the oil spills, Hiroshima, Japan. Well, I guess us people made the mess, so us people should clean it up. And studying how to grow food on Mars could very well be the difficult challenge we need to make those challenges more approachable. Even here on Earth, many researchers from around the world have traveled to places in Africa to study how people are able to eat and thrive in areas that are inhospitable, that have lack of water and are just desertous regions. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you next time. Who knows what we'll learn on the next rotation. Remember to learn something new every day.